never slow. I'm found in Africa, also in Asia. I live in a lair, always with my pair. Golden side, striped, black back, we're all from different packs, but we're all jackals and that's a fact. I can eat anything, I can spring with a zing. I am very small, you can't spot me if I crawl. My babies are called pups, they always keep me up. They're dear to me and they always run free. Golden side, striped, black back, we're all from different packs, but we're all jackals and that's a fact. I live to be 8, my life is great. I can run far and wide for at least 16 miles.